Make a prickly pear margarita with me. We went to Arizona a couple of months ago and I have been dreaming about the prickly pear margarita. I bought this while we were there, so I'm gonna give it a go. If you didn't know, in Arizona, the prickly pear is like their signature drink. I went to this amazing restaurant that had like the best one ever, but they have them pretty much everywhere you go there. You can go to my blog post on NashvilleWildStyles.com to see what to do. We were in Sedona and Scottsdale, and it's a place I definitely will get back. Okay. Got some margarita salt. Come on, y'all. Rim with a lime. Get in there, don't be shy. I don't have any cool ice, so it's just gonna have to do today. Casamigos! Orange liqueur, aka triple sec. La prickly pear syrup. Why am I doing this accent? I don't know. You can do fresh lime juice. Honestly, I'm lazy, so I'm using this. Honestly, hush! I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of sparkling lime. Voila!